Good evening and welcome. Let's start with our top story. We are now bringing you the latest on the Hindu temple attack in Pakistan. The country's Supreme Court has ordered the reconstruction of the Karak Hindu temple within 2 weeks. The Chief Justice of Pakistan's Supreme Court heard the Suamoto case and sought report on status of the temples in 2 weeks' time. The Supreme Court also saw details of the disputed properties. The Supreme Court has adjourned the case for 2 weeks. Meanwhile, 8 police officials have been suspended for dereliction of duty a week after the temple was vandalized and set on fire by Islamists in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Over 100 people, including 7 clerics, have been arrested for their alleged involvement in the incident. The suspects, who were presented before an anti-terrorism court, have been sent to 3 days of police custody.
2014, the court have given the judgment that this temple should be restored, but due to the lack interest of Abiku Trust Property Board and KPK government, the temple restored by Pakistan Hindu Council himself in 2015, but now again it has been demolished and fired by same mob like in 1997, but again Supreme Court have taken the action on 31st December. At the end of the 2020, which was the black day for the minority community, but today the Supreme Court judgment on my recommendation, on our report and Chief Secretary report, they fully endorse the report, and they also express grave concern about that.
However, more than 350 people have been named in the police report after the temple was attacked in the Karak district. Authorities say that efforts are underway to arrest those who were allegedly involved in the incident. Islamists attacked the temple after members of the Hindu community received permission from the local authorities to renovate the decades-old structure. India too lodged a protest with Pakistan over the incident. This is not the first time that a temple was attacked in Pakistan. Now, persecution of religious minorities have been rising in the Muslim-majority country. For more on this, our Pakistan Bureau Chief, Anas Malik, sent us this report.
Well, the Supreme Court of Pakistan today heard the Suamoto cases pertaining to the Karak temple incident. The Supreme Court came down very heavily, a 3-member bench comprising of the Supreme Court judges, which was led by the Chief Justice of Pakistan, heard the case. The Chief Justice questioned the police and its role for the fact that they were silent spectators, that they did not prevent people from gathering at that particular location. IGKPK Sanaullah Abbasi informed that the JUIF or Jamiat Ulema-i-Islam-Fazl Rahman group's local leader had sponsored an event where the event that was scheduled to decide the fate of the Samadhi or the temple and the way forward. The Chief Justice has come down very heavily on the police and its lack of ability, and has asked the IGKPK on the action that has been taken. The IG has informed that about 12 of the police officials, including the local SHO, has been suspended as well. The Supreme Court has sought a detailed report on all of the temples in Pakistan. Additionally, the Supreme Court in its order has ordered the KPK government to start reconstruction of the temple in the next 2 weeks, and that to submit a report on the matter. Anas Malik, Islamabad, Pakistan, for WION, World is One.